Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delightful bird feeder using pipe cleaners and Cheerios. It's a perfect project for kids and adults alike, and it will attract some feathered friends to your backyard. So let's get started. Start by gathering all your materials. You will need pipe cleaners, twine or string, some scissors, and some Cheerios or other round cereal that has a hole in the middle. Take one pipe cleaner and begin threading the Cheerios onto it. Sliding them down to the bottom of the pipe cleaner as you go. Once you've filled your pipe cleaner, you want to just be sure to leave about an inch on each side. Bend it into a circle, give it a twist, and then tuck your ends. Give it a little shaping, and there is your first circle complete. Let's add a decorative touch by making a chain. So we're going to take a second pipe cleaner that's filled with Cheerios, put our first one through the second one, and we're just going to close it up, making a chain. So we're going to do the same thing with our third pipe cleaner. Just go ahead and fill it up. Passing it through one of the loops, we'll just go ahead and close it as well. And that will give us 3 links to our chain. Next, cut a piece of twine or string and tie it to the top of your bird feeder chain. Make sure the knot is secure so that it can hang properly in the tree. And there you have it, your very own homemade bird feeder. This fun project not only attracts birds, but also helps improve fine motor skills. Watch and wait as the birds come to enjoy their tasty treat. Thanks for joining me and happy bird watching.